What can compromise the results of a hair restoration procedure? Well, every step of the procedure is critical in the outcome. It starts with the planning and the expectation of the patient. It's important to understand and listen to the patient in the consultation to understand what are they trying to achieve, what are their goals. And it's important for the physician to know, can I achieve that with my skills and the raw materials that I have to work with? The raw materials being the donor hair of the patient and the expectations that that patient has and the amount of hair loss that they have currently and they're going to have down the line. Because remember, hair loss is progressive and we have to do a procedure that's going to look good today as well as 10 and 20 years from now. Each step is important. So harvesting and how we harvest the hair is critical to the result. You've got to make sure that with either method you use, whether you're taking a strip of tissue, that you don't transect or damage the follicles when you cut them under the microscope, or if you're doing FUE, that you don't skeletonize them, meaning you don't take too thin a piece of tissue so that there's not protective fat, so that these hairs will be viable and grow and strong. So the method and the precision in which you harvest these is critically important. It's also important how you create the recipient sites, using the appropriate angle, direction, and orientation, and the density. We're looking for aesthetic density, not necessarily the number of grafts in a given area, but how it's arranged on the patient's scalp to give them the best possible result. Furthermore, you have to have skilled staff to place the grafts into the sites that you've made. It's very important that this is done precisely. And when the whole procedure is done, the aftercare is critical. It's very important what you do. That's why we give detailed instructions with regard to washing your hair. We have a post-operative kit that we use with copper peptide. We use laser therapy to help promote healing. And we give you detailed instructions, and we're there available with you every step of the way so that your procedure is optimized and your results are exactly what you're looking for.